Text, LG, life's good.
Troubleshooting flickering video on an LG TV.
As two men watch soccer on TV, the screen repeatedly dims and brightens.
Video flickering describes the effect of gradually changing TV screen brightness levels. If your LG TV display is continuously flickering, it may be due to an incorrect picture menu setting, an issue with a certain video input, or in rare cases there may be an issue with the TV. Before troubleshooting, let's start by making sure your TV firmware is up to date.
A red circle highlights the steps on a remote-controlled device.
For WebOS 1.0 through 4.5, go to Settings, then Advanced, then General. Scroll down to About this TV and check for updates. If an update is available, click Install, and then click Allow Automatic Updates.
The interface depicts shows and movies trending now. Below it, a row of apps. The settings icon at the far right. A circle highlights the steps.
For WebOS 5.0 and higher, go to Settings, then All Settings, then Support, and then Software Update. If the firmware is up to date, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the flickering issue. First, turn off the energy saving mode. Go to Settings, then All Settings, then Support, then Energy Saving. If this resolves the issue, no further action is needed.
The two men once again watch soccer on TV.
If the issue persists, run a TV picture test to determine the cause of the flickering. To do this, go to Settings, then Support, then Screen Self-Diagnosis.
A canal between colorful houses. Text, this is the test image. Please look carefully. Is the picture above displayed clearly on your screen?
The test will guide you through the process.
A split screen of the houses. Text, the edited left FHD picture quality and right UHD picture quality display differently by the resolution difference. Enjoy UHD content and UHD picture quality.
If the picture test fails, please contact LG customer service for help. If the picture test passes, the cause is most likely a source connection. You'll need to isolate which source the issue is coming from. Check for loose cable connections or cable damage.
HDMI IN3, USB IN2.
Try connecting a different input cable. Lastly, connect the cable to an alternate input port.
The two men once again watch soccer on TV.
Following these steps should resolve the flickering issue. If the issue remains, your TV may require service. For additional assistance, visit lg.com/us/support.
Text, LG, life's good. Learn more at lg.com.